All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with another real quick crypto market update. Guys, the dip is here and the dip needs to be capitalized on, okay? If there's one thing that you take away from today's market update, guys, it's that this dip is a buyer's dip. We are at such a great support level here, right around $56,000, $57,000. We're already seeing a big bounce. FOMC was just the other day. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell went in, said he's going to keep rates unchanged. So that kind of kept the market from really panicking and going down much further. It almost actually put in a bottom. The market hadn't traded lower since that point during that speech. But there was a really big outflow of money from the ETFs to cash, basically. Basically, a lot of people selling. In fact, it was the largest outflow day since the ETFs launched. It was $500 million across all of the Bitcoin ETFs. So that was a big kind of capitulation sort of sell moment. But I think that was a lot of panic. I think that from 70K or 75K where we were at the peak down to around 55K, I mean, that's a 20-25% dip. This is to be expected during a bull market. I think we're going to have lots of dips just like this. So I'm not worried. In fact, this is where I'm more comfortable. I'm more comfortable buying where we're at right now, closer to the 200-day average, which is kind of a longer term support area. I like being a longer term buyer there. I don't really like being a buyer when we're already broken out and trading crazy above all time highs and all that stuff. So momentum to me seems like it's reset. Funding rates are reset, meaning there's no more exuberant, sort of an exorbitant leverage in the market. When these funding rates come back down to a more normalized level, you just realize that at the end of the day, there's less long side demand, less long side leverage, and that's actually a good thing. You don't want all this long side leverage to percolate up. It tends to mean the market's vulnerable to correction. So right now the market's trading with a spot premium. So that means, again, that the futures are a little backwardated, which it means it's a better value time to be buying. There's not as much exuberance in the market. This correction, I think, should be coming to a close here very, very, very soon. I think that longer-term uptrend will continue. We're holding supports. I mean, across the altcoin market, the 200-day moving averages are holding up extremely strong. I think it's actually, indicative of an altcoin season brewing. Okay, so I'm not thinking that we're going to go back down into the 40s or the 30s. I'm seeing some people call for as low as the 20s. I think that's absolutely ludicrous. Okay, so I'm comfortable holding my coins. I'm comfortable where I'm at. I think that this is an opportunity to buy more. I was getting cautiously bearish over the course of the last couple weeks as this correction was playing out, but I'm getting cautiously bullish here, thinking that this is actually the spot where, hey, we might have had enough of a flush out. We might have been reset enough to actually find a bottom. I think this is a good discount. To me, there's just every sort of sign that tells me that this is a good buying opportunity. So with that being said, guys, don't get freaked out during bull market corrections, right? I mean, they're sharp and they're vicious. But that's all they are is just a short period of time. And remember, at the end of the day, if you look out 12 months from now, I'm so confident that Bitcoin will be twice as high. Look, 12 months out, Bitcoin will be twice as high. That's, again, not financial advice. I'm not guaranteeing that. That's my prediction. At the very least, and many, many, many other altcoins are going to be, twice as high or 3 or 4 times as high. Right? Because they're market beta. They go down more during the corrections, but they go up more during the breakouts. So I'm really anticipating, despite maybe 1 month or one more month of potential downside in correction, if you look at the risk reward, where we're going to be in 12 months, I mean, the Bitcoin price has never not doubled 6 months after every halving. Okay. And this is on its 4th halving. And so, again, if it's never not doubled 6 months after, I'm saying, hey, in 12 months, it should probably double. But if history actually repeats, then it'll be doubling in 6 months. So any dips are opportunities to be buying, okay? This is what I'm trying to get at. And expect more, okay? That's volatility. Volatility is the price that you pay. Risk and reward are two sides of the same coin. Volatility is that risk, and it cuts in both directions. So capitalize on it. Have cash on the exchanges ready with your limit orders or stink bids even on your favorite altcoins. This market's not going away. This market is just heating up, guys. There's so much to be excited about. The list could go on and on and on. But I want to pause there. Want to get your guys' feedback. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully, you guys are excited about where we're at in the market and that you guys are going to be buying the dip with me. So we'll talk to you soon, and thanks for tuning in to today's market update. And also, real quick, if you don't already have a service where you subscribe to where you could get actionable market intelligence, I'm talking buy zones, sell zones, fundamental research reports, technical analysis, and much, much more on all the hottest altcoins, DeFi coins, AI coins, cryptos, and more, guys. If you don't have something like that, but you want it, and it sounds cool, then for $1, you could come check out what we have to offer at Crypt Nation, okay? For $1, you get a 1-week trial to everything that we offer in the Crypt Nation service, guys, and we think that you're going to find it extremely valuable. So we want to give you a $1 trial. Come check it out, and we'll see you inside. Happy trading.